Hello everyone. Today, we are covering the 5 best pastry blender on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our best pick for the money is Spring Chef's stainless steel dough blender. This dough blender is getting a lot of buzz, and with good reason. Made by Spring Chef, a small but growing company in Dallas, Texas, it's been manufactured to be used by both professional and home cooks. 5 sturdy stainless steel blades make easy work of your kitchen tasks, and the rubber handle has enough give to make it more comfortable for use than a stainless steel or plastic handle. This size is perfect if you have small or medium-sized hands. Heavy duty without being heavy, and cuts through cold butter beautifully, making it a must-have tool if you bake. Don't waste time or effort using a fork or potato masher only to get half results. Comfortable soft grip handle that fits small to medium-sized hands perfectly, and it won't make you tired after using it. You can do more without having to worry about hand and wrist fatigue. The thick rubber is much safer than plastic and easy on those with arthritis. This dough blender is dishwasher safe, and is a great tool to have for all levels of cooks. Materials: stainless steel, rubber, available sizes, 3-inch, 4-inch, dishwasher safe, yes. What we like: comfortable rubberized grip, sturdy construction, dishwasher safe. What we don't like: not great for large hands. Number 2. Our second best pick is Spring Chef Dough Blender and Pastry Cutter Set. The Spring Chef Dough Blender and Bench Scraper are here together in this very useful set. Each tool is manufactured to the high Spring Chef standard, with sturdy stainless steel blades that make the work easy and rubber handles for ease of use. The Bench Scraper has inch measurements for your use along the beveled edge of the blade and an ergonomically designed handle. These kitchen tools also come with handles that are easy to hold. So, you can maintain a good grip every time, without worrying about hand and wrist fatigue. An excellent addition to your kitchen essentials, our pastry blender and cutter stand out due to their superior quality. So, you can look forward to using them easily and conveniently for a long time. This versatile set is made for more than just blending, cutting, and scraping. Whether you're chopping fruits and vegetables, scooping chopped ingredients, or smoothing frosting on cakes, these tools will get the job done. The set is dishwasher safe. Materials: stainless steel, rubber, available sizes, 3-inch, dishwasher safe, yes. What we like: great value for both pieces. Available in several colors. Built well. What we don't like: dough blender is the smallest size. Number 3. Our third best pick is Gorilla Grip Pastry Dough Blender and Butter Cutter. 5 ultra-sharp, thick blades allow for seamless blending of solid ingredients into soft. The curved design of the blades promotes a rocking motion for optimal efficiency, so your hands won't tire out. Keep your hands supported even when blending the most stubborn of ingredients. The soft, thick ergonomic rubber handle of the pastry blender is incredibly comfortable. It's also slip-resistant, so you can get a sturdy grip, no matter what's on the menu. This pastry blender is designed to last. Constructed from stainless steel, the blades are rust-resistant, dishwasher safe, and won't bend or break even with heavy ingredients. Enjoy delicious guacamoles, nut spreads, salsas, pastries, scones, and more. Pastry blender is so versatile that it can easily replace other kitchen tools like potato mashers or vegetable slicers. Materials: stainless steel, rubber, available sizes, medium, large, dishwasher safe, yes. What we like: slip-resistant grip, super sturdy construction, comes in a variety of colors. What we don't like: some might find this small. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Fox Run Wire Pastry Blender. Wire blade pastry blenders are best used for small batches of quick breads or doughs where the ingredients aren't too challenging or difficult to blend. This one has 5 strong stainless steel wires with a wooden handle. The design includes a stainless steel thumb rest on one side of the handle, which allows the user to increase the level of strength being applied to the dough. The size of this dough blender is slightly larger than the average, which makes it suitable for all hand sizes, including large. Easily mix together thicker ingredients, will combine wet and dry ingredients for perfectly blended dough. It should be hand washed for a longer life. Materials: stainless steel, wood, available sizes, 5-inch, dishwasher safe, no. What we like. Thumb rest gives more leverage. Suitable for larger lands. What we don't like. Hand wash only. Number 5. Our 5th best pick is Betty Crocker Dough Blender. If you use a dough blender once in a rare while, this works well on pastries or other fairly light jobs. The 5 blades are sturdy enough for pastry making or mashing in small batches, and the plastic handle gives a good hold for small or medium-sized hands. This dough blender would be great to have in the kitchen if you have children. It's small enough for them to use without being overwhelming, and they love learning how it works. It is dishwasher safe and easy to store. Materials: stainless steel, plastic, available sizes, 5-inch, dishwasher safe, yes. What we like. Comfortable plastic handle. Good for small and medium hands. What we don't like. Not great for heavy-duty use. Large hands might find this small. So, grab yours while you can. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.